can be really difficult to like repurpose those memories and places in your mind and in your heart to move on as quickly as possible so you can keep living in the small town. And some people leave.
It takes time to take these mountains and look at them anew, squinting, straining for a varied view, finding peaks and valleys that don't remind me of you, planting trees where forest fires grew. When the wayward wind blows west with echoes on its breath, campfire smoke, amber cigarettes, common sense around while your musk mnemonic loose, clear the air and reapply perfume. Oh, I'll unlearn you one day after our drawn out fade away. So long, so long, so long. Each time it takes so long for things that make a home, made home on walls and shelves, offerings that spoke the way you felt. Consider a declutter while hoarding retrospect, wiping surfaces where dust collects, and in someone else's hands my reflexes rewind, sink into another porous time, inflammatory memory as their arms around my waist, reclaiming the silhouette you traced. Oh, I'll unlearn you one day after our drawn out fade away. So long, so long, so long. Each time it takes so long. Still training my sincerity to recycle darlings and dears, my lover's name repurposed through the years. These terms which once endeared you, I sighed, spoke, sang, and wrote, signing sincerely yours on others' notes. Oh, I'll unlearn you one day after our drawn out fade away. So long, so long, so long. Each time it takes so long. And oh, I'll unlearn you one day after our drawn out fade away. So long, so long, so long. Each time it's gotta take so long.